Welcome to Gap Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 1 and Ind AS 105. Ind AS 1 deals with presentation of financial statements. Ind AS 105 deals with classification of non-current assets and disposal groups as held for sale and discontinued operations. You may contribute your desired amount for the knowledge obtained by scanning the QR code given in the slides. You can also contribute by sharing this video to maximum people, spreading the knowledge and awareness of financial reporting standards in India. Mail your Ind AS financial statements for review to info@gapadvisors.com. You can submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com. It gives me immense pleasure in informing that I have authored and published 6 ebooks on Ind AS till date, 4 volumes of 25 issues and non-compliance examples on Ind AS, 1 volume of 51 issues on financial instrument standards, and 1 volume of practical guide to material accounting policy information. You can buy all ebooks individually or in different combinations as a package with discounts from my page on TopMate. The link as shown here has been given in the description box below. I have also published 126 editions of weekly newsletter on LinkedIn having 14,000 plus subscribers as on date. The link to the newsletter is also given in the description box. A listed company has disclosed the following in its note on other assets. Paragraph 38 of Ind AS 105, non-current assets held for sale and discontinued operations, states as follows. An entity shall present a non-current asset classified as held for sale and the assets of a disposal group classified as held for sale separately from other assets in the balance sheet. The liabilities of a disposal group classified as held for sale shall be presented separately from other liabilities in the balance sheet. Those assets and liabilities shall not be offset and presented as a single amount. The major classes of assets and liabilities classified as held for sale shall be separately disclosed either in the balance sheet or in the notes except as permitted by para 39. An entity shall present separately any cumulative income or expense recognized in other comprehensive income relating to a non-current asset or disposal group classified as held for sale. Paragraph 38 of Ind AS 105 requires presentation of non-current asset classified as held for sale separately from other assets in the balance sheet. The company has aggregated non-current assets held for sale with other assets. Thus, the company has not presented in accordance with Ind AS 105. Paragraph 7 of Ind AS 1, presentation of financial statements, explains obscuring information as follows. Information is obscured if it is communicated in a way that would have a similar effect for primary users of financial statements to omitting or misstating that information. The following examples of circumstances that may result in material information being obscured. Information regarding a material item, transaction, or other event is disclosed in the financial statements, but the language used is vague or unclear. B. Information regarding a material item, transaction, or other event is scattered throughout the financial statements. C. Dissimilar items, transactions, or other events are inappropriately aggregated. D. Similar items, transactions, or other events are inappropriately disaggregated. And E. The understandability of financial statements is reduced as a result of material information being hidden by immaterial information to the extent that a primary user is unable to determine what information is material. The company has inappropriately aggregated non-current assets held for sale with other assets in balance sheet and therefore has presented obscuring information. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was useful and you have contributed your desired amount by scanning the QR code for the knowledge obtained. If not, please do it now. You can also contribute by sharing this video to maximum people, spreading the knowledge and awareness of financial reporting standards in India. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by Gap advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. You can also submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com.